Today we will be learning both about the imperial system and the metric system combined. You may remember the prefixes we used in the metric system video. We remembered these by the acronym King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. These prefixes go in front of the base unit. In our case, that is a meter. The imperial system consists of inches, feet, yards, and miles. The conversion factors were 12 inches to a foot, 3 feet to a yard, and 1,760 yards to 1 mile. Now we're going to take a look at some of the objects we measured in our videos. First, we had our baseball. This was 6.5 centimeters or 65 millimeters long in diameter. It was also 2.5 inches in diameter. If we take both of these measurements and divide them by each other, we can get a good approximate of the conversion ratio between inches and centimeters. Now let's check back with Leah to get an idea of how yards and meters relate to each other.
So let's compare these units using the bases and a baseball. So 1 yard is equal to about 2.5 bases. If we add an extra baseball onto that, that's going to be equal to about 1 meter. So we can concur that a meter is a little bit over the size of a yard.
When it comes to miles and kilometers, miles are larger than kilometers. If you remember, it takes 9.1 home runs to run a kilometer, but 14.7 home runs to run a mile. This means it takes about 1.6 kilometers for every mile.
Thanks for joining us today at the baseball stadium, and I hope you were able to learn a little bit more about the comparison between the metric system and the U.S. customary system.